हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपनी टेलीकॉम सीरीज़ को। सिलेबस कुछ इस तरह है: एंटीना स्पेसिफिकेशन, रेडिएशन पैटर्न, एंटीना टाइप एंड एग्जांपल। We have already discussed the antenna basics in the previous video. If not, you can go and watch that video. We have already discussed that antenna act as a transition region or transducer between waveguide, that is wireline, and a free space wave, which is wireless. Let's start with the radiation pattern. Here we can find a perpendicular line called radiation intensity. So starting with the half power beam width, which is basically the points at which the signal power is half of that its peak value. Moreover, beam width is the area where most of the power is radiated, which is the peak power. So let's talk about the first null, beam width. So it is the angular separation between the first nulls of the radiation pattern on either side of the main lobes formed by the array. For every radiation pattern, there are 2 points for half power, which is left point and right point. And if we talk about the first null beam width in other way, so these are the points where first time the radiation pattern becomes zero or the first minor lobes. You can see one more thing, that on the tip of a main lobe the power is 1, which is 100%. So let's start with some types of antenna with example. Isotropic radiator. Theoretically, lossless antennas having equal radiation intensity in all directions, which means they have omnidirectional in nature. And what is omnidirectional? Which means equal in all directions. You can imagine a circle, and at the center there is antenna, and that circle circumference is the radiation pattern. Half wave dipole, which is lambda by 2, it's a wire antenna consisting of two straight conductors of lambda by 4 length each, and two parallel lambda by 4 becomes lambda by 2, and it is separated by a small feeder gap. What are omni or dipole antennas? They are basically used for central station or broadcast. And if we talk about the directional antenna, their radiating energy is in particular direction. Now we will discuss about the Yagi antenna and their application, which is remote station, TV RX, reflectors, feeder, directors, and elements. And if we talk about the parabolic reflector with feeder antenna, this is very important antenna for mobile communication purpose, which is generally used for BTS to BSC microwave link. For GSM BTS tower, there are omni-sectoral antenna. You have seen most of the towers having three reflectors at the angle of 120 each. So these are the dipole arrays for multiple accesses. We have now MS antenna, which is monopole loop microstrip antenna in mobile handsets. So these are the antenna basics. We will deal with practical and whatever is required for antenna in near future in coming series. So thanks a lot and keep watching my telecom series for understanding telecom.